Hello, my name is Skittles, and today we are going to be doing my different usernames. Battle Song Challenge. I'm going to be doing a reply, comment thingy for a link, and you guys can watch me. I'm hoping I can actually beat his. I have my stopwatch and my Battle Song comb. I hope this works. I don't even know what benchmark it is. So we're going to do this. 1, 2, 3, start. I did it. My hand is trembling. I did it. I know it's backwards. If there was a way I could show you it without it, like, being backwards, I would. Stop resuming! Now that was 6 seconds and you know it. Thanks for watching.